Hey guys, welcome back. So, a little bit different video today. Going to talk about some buying and selling of stuff. You can see the boat motor is gone. And I've bought and sold stuff pretty much my whole life. And one thing I've tried and I've been proud of and that I've always tried to do is stand behind what I do. Whether it's buying and selling stuff or when the times I've done side work for people. And I just felt like this was a good example to use. So, put the boat motor on Marketplace, took a little bit of time to sell, finally found a guy, came, picked it up, started it, show the video of it running here real quick. See it's running, started right up, one pull, running good, idling good. T-hole coming out, water coming out of the exhaust, doing everything as it should. Let's see. Sometimes it's a little cold, but let's see how it revs up. I'm going to let it warm up a second longer. Comes right back down to idle. Put it in gear. See it's moving. Everything's working as it should. And then see it was running pretty good there. And then came and picked it up, ran just like that, showed him, put it in gear, everything. Takes it, leaves. Very next day, he calls me back, or he sends me a message back on Marketplace. He's like, hey, put it on a boat, it won't stay running. It's like completely different than it was yesterday. So I told him, I'm like, all right, let me know when I can meet you. I can meet you, give him a time frame that I can meet him. I'll show some of the text messages here, or the messages from Marketplace here. And you can see in it that I did, I told him I'll meet him, let me know. He ended up doing some diagnosis on it. He decided it was a fuel pump. I offered to pay for it. He said not to worry about it. After he got the parts in, fixed it, sends me a message saying that it's running fine, everything's good, and not to worry about it. In there you can see I offered to pay him to fix it, and I told him if I couldn't figure it out that I'd buy it back. I think that's important. I think it was important in how that played out. He ended up not taking any money to replace the parts that went bad. It was a fuel pump. I put a fuel pump on it, and then, and it went bad. It was just a bad fuel pump from the factory, which happens now with all the cheap Chinese-made parts. But because I was willing to stand up, I fully believe that's why he just said, you know what, don't worry about it. I got a good deal, basically, is what I feel like he was saying, and went on his business. And I heard from him since. He said it was running great and took it out. So I think that's important. For if you're going to be buying and selling stuff, you've got to stand by whatever you're selling or whatever you're fixing. I see a lot of bad reps about mechanics or people buying shitty stuff and like, hey, I just bought this and it's all blown up and everything. If you're going to be doing this, you've got to be willing to lose money on it and to do the right thing. So this is just something I feel is important. I feel like a lot of people on YouTube don't talk about this. There's always the guys buying and selling stuff and flipping money, but they don't really talk too much about the bad side of it. Or the stuff where you got to step up and take responsibility for whatever you had, Not everything's going to be a home run. I've made a lot of money on the side doing this, and I've lost a little bit of money. I'm definitely ahead on the overall scheme. I can probably count one or two things I've lost money on. But doing the right thing is the important part. So I just wanted to talk about that. I felt like it was a good video, and people don't talk about it enough on YouTube about this side of the buying and selling anything with engines, cars, whatever you're buying and selling. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful or informative to some people. We'll see you guys next time. Next time, the transmission's going back together. It's about halfway back together right now. I've got a video going together for it, and we'll get an update on that. And see you guys next time. Later.